Hello and welcome to Recoup Energy Solutions, the UK's leading wastewater heat recovery for showers specialist. At Recoup, we've been advocating the benefits of wastewater heat recovery to the UK market for over 10 years, helping house builders, large and small, to meet compliance targets and reducing homeowner bills. From June 2022, new energy efficiency regulations known as Part L mean that new homes have to become more energy efficient. Wastewater heat recovery has now been included in the BRE notional dwelling for new build properties, which is the recipe for the most cost-effective compliance route. This means that house builders and developers up and down the country are likely to require wastewater heat recovery as part of their energy efficiency specification to help meet their new build compliance. And as the industry moves towards mainstream net zero homes, Recoup are here to support. In addition to new homes, wastewater heat recovery can offer similar benefits to retrofit projects and new non-domestic projects such as hotels, gyms and student accommodation by reducing hot water demand and improving their energy and CO2 performance. Now is the time to make sure that you know all about wastewater heat recovery for showers and how to incorporate it into your project. To assist you with this, we've created a dedicated studio and demonstration area so that we can virtually connect with you, your teams and any other stakeholders that you work with.
We can arrange live access to remote presentations and meetings tailored specifically to your needs, just like the presentation you are seeing here. Using our green screen, we are directly in front of you with the presentation content and our products, but crucially without clunky screen sharing or losing the ability to see technical aspects in detail. We believe that this makes for an improved, immersive and interactive experience without the need for in-person meetings, which are both time and carbon intensive. We can deliver content to wherever you are, be that in the office, at home, on site, or even by the pool.
Our exhibition-style product displays allow us to demonstrate our products to you in detail and on demand. We take you closer to the product, just as if you're in the room, providing clear explanation of how the systems operate and how they're designed into your project. For installers, we can run live toolbox sessions to show you how Recoup PipeX and Recoup EasyFit Plus are fitted, or as an early introduction to the wastewater heat recovery technology for new site teams and subcontractors. A lot of the content from these sessions will be recorded and made available on demand from our website. This will be coupled with a catalogue of bite-sized videos, demonstration tips and solutions to frequently asked questions. Please feel free to get in touch and let us know if there's anything that you would like us to demonstrate or present to you.